Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp on Android phones. So this is a step-by-step guide. First, you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for WhatsApp here. Now click this install button and somehow it will take a few minutes for you to open this. So once done, what you're going to do is you have to open and you have to select your language here. So if you scroll down, you will see here tons of language. So you can choose from any of this option. But for this time, I want to choose English. So let me tap English here. And then once you have chosen your language, then you have to click this arrow facing to the right and then tap this agree and continue. And then here you have to choose a country. So tap this arrow here to choose that country. For example, I am currently living in India, or my phone number is this. I'm going to type it. And then here I have to add the number or my number, of course, that I'm going to use for my WhatsApp. After that, click next. And then here I can now add a profile photo. So let me select from my gallery, tap allow. And then you have to select from your gallery here. And then after that, you can now proceed with your name. Now you have to click next. And then as you can see, it's now initializing and you have your WhatsApp application with you. As easy as that. Now to see more options or what's in the setting, I'm going to take you with the setting, with the WhatsApp setting. No, you have to click the three dots. You will see those options, but let's proceed to settings here. Under settings, you will see accounts. So under account, you will see these features such as security notifications. So toggle on if you want to show security notifications on this device. Another is passkeys. If you tap this passkeys right here, and then it will take you to this. You can log in with your face finger or screen lock. So it will give you option and how you're going to open your WhatsApp. Now, another thing here, another option or feature is the email address. You can add your email address here to verify your account, and it helps you reach you in case of security or support issues. So it's better to add your email address here. Also, two-step verification to notify you if someone wants to hack your account. So you need to enable this one or turn on this one. Also, if you want to change your number, you just have to click this change number and then tap next. Request info, add account, and delete account. For privacy, you will see here if you want to change this last seen online, profile photo, about, status, read receipts, and groups, live, location, and so on. Or if you want to block someone, you can go to privacy. Avatar, if you want to create your avatar like same face like you. And if you want this avatar to set as your profile picture. Chats, if you want to back up your chat right here, go to chat backup. If you want to transfer chat, if you want to see chat history, you can do that here. Notifications, if you want to change your notifications, you just have to turn on notifications here and change other settings on your notifications. Storage and data, if you want to set your media quality into HD, you can go here to storage and data. Okay, and you can see here also app language, help, invite a friend, and also if you want to connect your Instagram and Facebook, you can just do it right here. So basically, that's how to install WhatsApp on Android phones. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.